If you're like me, you believe that crypto, that is, the blockchain, is the future. I believe it wholeheartedly. Welcome to Crypto for the rest of us. Every day, excluding Sunday, I bring a tip, tool, or analysis. Some days, it's tools that you can use, analysis of coins. Today, it's sort of I believe this market is growing. It's not going to stop, and we're just at the tip of the iceberg. Now, you can talk about bull markets and bear markets and where we are. There's long-term investing. There's short-term investing. It's going to be different for everyone. I always say, I have to disclose, I'm just a big dumb animal. Don't do what I say. Okay, this is not financial advice. Look, Coinbase in June 18th, 2024, just a little while ago, put out this this report, and it has a lot of information in it. But I like to look at certain things. Total value locked, to me, is a large metric, right? To me, it's revenue in general, almost looking at like a gross revenue or the amount of money invested, if you will. There's different ways to look at it. But to me, it shows the growth of the market and whether or not it's going to continue to grow. So in the Coinbase report here, they focus on, I think it was 8 different things. I'm just going to focus on 2 real quick. Growth in TVL. I'm just going to read it. Rather than comparing the raw TVL, this was interesting, of different chains, they track the TVL growth normalized by the price appreciation of their native gas token. Often native tokens constitute a large portion of TVL, in other words, the native tokens being locked, within an ecosystem due to collateral or liquidity usage. Adjusting the TVL growth by price growth helps isolate how much TVL growth arises from net new value creation instead of pure price appreciation. That was very smart. Okay, so there you have it. In aggregate, TVL growth has outpaced total crypto market cap growth by 24% year to date. Here are the top growing chains: TON, Aptos, SUI, and Base, and benefit from rapid stages of growth. So here, let's zoom in on this first chart. TVL growth, and this is adjusted, as they said. Now, what's interesting here is you're going to look at it and say, this is ridiculous with all these colors. How can I figure anything out? Well, down here, it actually, from left to right and top to bottom, it matches. Here's what I mean. TON, it's this darker black line, and that's this line here. The next one down is this, let's call it a dark purple. That's this one, Aptos. What's next in line? SUI. 1, 2, 3. There's SUI. Fourth is Base. 1, 2, 3. Fourth is Base. There you go. Solana being this one, Near being that one, and it goes down the list. It makes it a lot easier to read if you know that. But as you can see, this is just the trajectory of TVL locked on all of these different chains. It's from January of this year till now. That is not a long period of time. And some of these have really skyrocketed. So if you think this market in crypto is going away, it's not. Now, if we go down here, the next one I want to look at, second one, Ethereum L2 growth. The total value locked in Ethereum L2s, the layer 2s, has increased by 2.4 times year to date. With the total, that's just January till now, 6 months. With the total TVL for L2s ending May at 9.4 billion. Base currently represents around 19% of total L2 TVL, and it's third. So Arbitrum is first, Blast is second, and then Base. I think they're calling out Base because it's so new. It went live in 2023. So here's that chart blown up. Layer 2 value locked, grown throughout 2024. And you can see Arbitrum, Blast, Base, Optimism, linear mode scroll. And these actually go from bottom to top. From left to right, bottom to top. So you can see the growth. Here we are with this dark black ZK Sync, 4 billion to, 9 billion. This one at the bottom as an example, Arbitrum is just over 2 billion, and looks like it is higher. They've all gone higher, but you can see the trajectory. Total value locked, L2s taking off as well, Base being third. I'm a big fan of Arrow. But that's it for today. Let's grow generational wealth together. Hopefully you might want to take a look at this report. I'll put it in the link below, but I wanted to focus on those 2 things because personally I believe that's a big metric as to how the growth of this market is going. Is it going sideways? Is it going down? Is it going up? From TVL standpoint, it's up and to the right. That's what we love to see. Have a great day.